Snake gourd coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make snake gourd coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 red chillies, around 250 grams of snake gourd peeled and cut into pieces, 6 to 8 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger. Heat the pan and pour 10 ml foil. Spread the oil in the pan. Get the oil get heated. Put in the fennel seeds. Put in the red chillies. Put in the onion pieces. Now put in the ginger, leaf. Keep on sauteing. Put in salt to taste. Put in the pieces. Now put in the tomato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly mix. Mix the tomato pieces nicely thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. The salt. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly saute and mix. Pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Let the mixture cook for 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, put in the mint leaves. Mix. And let the mixture boil. Now put in the washed and soaked rice and mix. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes. Now the snake gourd coconut milk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final snake gourd coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes, and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most different of the rice recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes, and one of the most unique of the cooking ideas. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.